Namaste. Feel the heart. Welcome back once again into another presentation of present continuous tense. In the previous session, we learned how to make the present continuous tense, and in this presentation, we're going to learn negative present continuous tense. How to make it? It's so simple. I have already discussed, by the way, in present how to make any sentence negative, but again, I'm going to repeat it. It's very simple, and I'm sure you're gonna kiss me after this because it is very. So as I told you, everything is same. Just you have to add nahi, before the verb, and this raha rahe rahi, which represents like continuous thing, and this hai hum ho hai, that represents tense thing. Oh my god, there is a mistake. That's called continuous form, right? Anyways, all are same. Everything will be same, just like in the previous video. Just see the sentence structure. You'll get it. Subject, object, and then you have to add nahi. See with the pink color, nahi, and then verb in the root state, and then raha rahe rahi, which represents the continuous form, and hai ho hum hai, you need to choose one that represents present tense form. Alright, so now we're going to make negative present continuous tense. Right, here is example. मैं football नहीं खेल रहा हूँ. It's the same example that I had given in the previous video. Right, so मैं is the subject, football, it means like I am not playing football. Right, मैं football नहीं खेल is the root form of the verb, raha continuous form, hum is for the present form. Alright, so the next one is Sita geet nahi ga rahi hai. Again, Sita geet ga rahi hai. Sita is singing song. Alright, now Sita geet nahi ga rahi hai. Remember where it is nahi. Nahi is just before the verb, start, before the verb root, raha rahi rahe, continuous form, and before the tense. So always before the verb, always in any kind of sentences, nahi will be always before the root verb or before the verb. That will make the whole sentence negative. Alright, so Sita geet nahi ga rahi hai. Sita is not singing song, isn't singing song. Right, the next one is hum bazaar nahi ja rahe. Again, nahi is just before the ja. Ja is the root form of the verb to go. So here, hum bazaar nahi ja rahe hain. It means we are not going to market. Right? And the next one is tum patra nahi likh rahe ho. Tum patra nahi likh rahe ho means you are not writing the letter. Right? Tum is the subject, patra letter, nahi means no. Likh is the root form of the verb likhna, that means to write. Rahe is the continuous form, ho. I don't have to talk about, I think, raha rahe rahi, because we discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched that, then I will suggest you go back and watch that first and then come back here. Alright, and the last one is ve kaam nahi kar rahe hain. So they are not walking. Right, they are not walking. It means ve kaam nahi kar rahe. Ve means they, kaam means walk, nahi means no, kar means to do, rahe means like continuous form, doing, kar rahe, that represents actually doing. Okay, hai is for representing their plural subject. Right, so ve kaam nahi kar rahe, they are not working. I'm not making video, मैं video नहीं बना रहा हूँ. Right, I am making video, मैं video बना रहा हूँ, I. If I'm a girl, I will say मैं video बना रही हूँ. Right, so it's मैं video बना रहा हूँ. And if I'm making negative, मैं video नहीं बना रहा हूँ, that's a verb. If a girl, मैं video नहीं बना रही हूँ. Alright, in the next video lesson we'll be talking how to make yes no question, like am I going to market, am I making video, something like that. Am I supposed to do something like that. Right, we'll be talking about that in the next video. And in this video, after watching this video, you have some exercise. You have to do that. Here are some list of the verbs. Alright, you can see, and use those verbs to make the negative sentence and the positive sentence in present continuous form. Alright, and I need that, that's for sure, otherwise I will stick on your butt. Maybe if you were nearby me. Anyways, I hope you understand it, how to make the negative sentence, negative present continuous tense. With raha, क्या सीता गीत गा रही है? Is Sita singing song? क्या सीता गीत गा रही है?